Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we will walk through the detailed steps to repair the Lenovo IdeaPad 81MV motherboard. First, let's gather the essential tools you'll need for this process. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, tweezers, and a cleaning solution for internal components. Make sure your workspace is clean and well lit. Begin by powering down your laptop and unplugging it from the wall. Remove the battery to ensure safety during the repair. Once that's done, we will flip the laptop over to access the screws on the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws, set them aside in a small container to avoid losing any. After removing the screws, gently pry open the back panel using a plastic spudger to avoid damaging the casing. Once inside, take a moment to examine the motherboard for any visible damage such as burnt components or loose connections. If you notice dust accumulation, use a can of compressed air to clean out any debris. This is also a good time to check for any corrosion on the motherboard. If you find any, you can use a cleaning solution on a cotton swab to carefully clean the affected areas. Now, let's focus on the components we might need to replace. Check the RAM and hard drive connections to ensure they are secure. If you need to replace any components, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation and can provide a quote before repair. If you don't have the necessary tools to continue, don't worry. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can get your laptop repaired without any hassle, no calls, no travel. Once you have addressed all visible issues, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back panel back into position and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure everything is snug, but avoid over-tightening to prevent damage. Finally, reconnect the battery and plug in your laptop. Power it on to see if everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember that we're here to help with professional services tailored to your needs. Our team can assist you with any further diagnosis required. And there you have it. A complete step-by-step guide to repairing your Lenovo IdeaPad 81MV motherboard. Always prioritize safety, and don't hesitate to reach out for help if you need it. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.